Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick to share with you. What does they normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst. In case you haven't seen this face and you have been looking for this Progress the Analyst, I am your one and only. So if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, come on, run, smash on that button that says subscribe and make sure you turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop any okporo girl like this, oh my goodness, you will be the first to notify. So without not wasting much of your time, let's go to the reason why we are here. Now you know that a lot has been going on between Gentle, Ugo 247. A lot of people have been doing church. A lot of issue is just spreading up and down. In fact, they even say that Gentle is aware, Ugo 247 is among the people that buy the brother of Gentle. That if not, how come Gentle, Ugo 247 is aware that the brother of Gentle turned RIP? But let me tell you something. You are going to see the person that brought this issue, the genesis, the prophecy that arose, that makes everybody thinking that the pastor or the prophet is referring to Gentle. Anyways, what Ugo 247 did, he explained the issues and he even talked to those people that carry this short saying that, oh, Gentle. In fact, I said this Gentle don't buy so many times. Every time Gentle. So, to my understanding, I think as this prophecy just come up, a lot of people just refer to Gentle, even when the prophet said the person is fair. Listen to that. Now, I want you to just listen to something. I want you to just listen to this thing. Choco. We are going to go through this thing step by step, and you are going to get the response from Ugo 247, what happened, and why he responded the way he did. Now, let's go. We want to see the genesis of this issue.
Take this message to Biafran soldiers. The Lord is taking me to Okigwe zone. He is going to be gunned down. He's fair in complexion. He's fair in complexion. He's fair in complexion.
Sure, you have seen the genesis of the issue. Now, I want you to listen to Ugo 247 also. What he said about this issue that is spreading. Because I saw a lot of comments on my video that people are saying Ugo 247 don't buy Gentle brother. Ugo 247 is this. I am like, what is this? What is this? So I have to go and listen to the video where they said that Ugo 247 by the brother of Gentle, and I saw something different. Now, when this news arise, Ugo 247 made his own speech, and he even said that Gentle not by I mean not here where. Let us listen again to Ugo 247.
But I want you firstly to think. What are you doing? Why are you spreading fake rumor, information, news about the death of a human being like you? What is your problem? You are blogging. You want to make, how do you call it? You want traffic, right? You want traffic. That is why you open your useless mouth to say, Gentle is dead. He was prophesying. Did the man prophesying told you that he was talking about Gentle?
You know that I told you that. The prophet did not just give the prophecy, but he also makes some valuable points that will make you to detect if the person is referring to Gentle or someone else. Now, let us hear the difference between Gentle and the person that is involved.
He said the person is fair in color.
We still want to hear another one from Ugo 247. Please, my brother. Is Gentle the only commander that is making people just like refer to him? Why? Is it the only commander we want to hear from? Because that thing is confusing a lot of people.
What so many people don't even know is that there are so many commanders or army or Biafrans everywhere. Gentle is not the only person in Okigwe. So why are you people spreading the news? Gentle and one.
Now, after Gentle make his own video, a lot of people were blasting Ugo 247. They said, you buy this one, you do this, you want the federal government of Nigeria to cash Gentle, blah, 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 blah. But nobody really take time to listen to the other side of Ugo. Yes, Ugo 247 also makes some valuable points that nobody even cares, because when this news arose, there were some statements that he also made. So if you are among people that are saying, oh, Ugo 247 wish Gentle, he did not wish Gentle well, he wished that Gentle should buy. Did you listen to this? Now take a look.
Gentle Domot, Gentle and Ugo, why the news? I beg everybody, stop the spread of fake information. Hey, I see, hey, autopilot don't buy Gentle. Hey, Ngozi on person don't buy Gentle. Hey, blah, 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 blah. Make una shape on a mouth. Make una shape on a mouth. What you don't know, no talk. What you are not sure, don't open that your dirty mouth to talk. Gentle is alive, and nothing go happen to Gentle. Or when if again me Gentle, nothing go happen to Gentle. Yes, nothing is going to happen to him by the grace of Chukwu Kikabiama. Gentle no commit any abomination. Gentle no do any evil thing. Why I put this in picture here? Now make you understand, say, the person that we are referring to, or the person the prophecy was meant for, is fair in color. And when you want to talk about people that are fair in color, you talk about people like me, not people like Gentle. You see, Gentle, that is not fair. So the prophecy wasn't meant for Gentle.
Because of this talk, a lot of cho on social media, cho everywhere. My brother will go 247. I beg, send this message. Very brief,
So keep your mouth shut. Don't again go for once. Stop all this rubbish you people do in the social media.
So now we are still calling on Ugo 247. Yes, so please give us the truth. What really happened? What is going on? What brought all these things? Tell us just a brief sentence.
The truth is this: Gentle lost his own brother, the same mama, the same papa. Yes, I did sure.
So please give us some proof. This issue where you talk so, give us some proof. Can you prove it? How do you know that Gentle brother Ekpa? Please give us some proof.
The moment the thing happened, they sent me the picture. I see him. The same mama, the same papa. I see him. The picture dey my phone now. Okay? So make una know they open mouth anyhow, they talk anyhow.
Yes. Let's say something very clear here. I see that Ugo 247 just make reference. Try to tell the world that instead of Gentle brother, people are not saying Gentle. That is not Gentle that is the brother. What is that? It happens everywhere. Like someone that lost the mom. Instead, someone said, she lost her mom. The person said, she lost her dad. And someone that know very well said, no, she did not lost her dad, but she lost her mom. What is bad about it? People were just dropping all kind of comments in my comment section, saying, Ekpa, Gentle brother. This is just a simple something. This is just an easy illustration. It just bring a point that, oh, it's not gentle, nothing happened to gentle. Gentle is fit, strong, and healthy. That what happened is that his brother Ekpa, so why they come on the drag and say he's the one that I want to fight the brother and all that. So I say, let me even bring this thing. Something when you not reach anything, we go just the drag. This thing is easy, something that anybody can say. Instead of B, they say A. C came out and said, no, it's not A, it's B. What is that? What is that? So I say no. Ugo 247 must have something to say also. Say something to us.
Gentle never die. Una evil wish no go kill Gentle. Nothing go happen to him. Gentle go see Biafra. Yes, Gentle Yahoo, he go see Biafra. So make I use this opportunity tell Una where they use people name, including my name, they do caricature for outside because you want viewers. Make I tell you, those who wear the phone group, those who wear the phone group. Now this gentle matter, una take a whole hand, go form on a group. Ndezoku nenu. Where are you today? Are you still telling your truth? I have been waiting to see all of you come out and start talking the truth. Una not even come out to come talk the truth again. When you think that fighting people is fighting for your freedom, you will fool. Yes, name you be fool. Fight for your freedom. Lead people. Lead people.
Now, hey, among all the talk where we dey talk since, now this one that sweet me pass. Now this one that sweet me pass. Yes, so now this one I want to galala. Now this one that sweet me pass. You know why? Because in the course of Ugo 247's video, he said, "Una no go see Gentle again." I quote him by his word. He said, "We will not see Gentle again." All of a sudden, after like 3 to 4 days, Gentle Gentle come out. But that is not all. There are some statements that he also made, including this. He said, if at all you will see you will see Gentle on social media to come and make broadcast again, he said, no, that thing is very, very important. That thing is very, very special. Now, before I will conclude this matter, let us listen to that statement.
Like I said, the prophecy was not meant for Gentle. And there are many people you don't know that are fighting for this Biafra. There are many people you have not even seen their face before. You never see their face. You don't even know their original face. Make it remain like life face. So you have not seen so many people. You don't even know anyone. Now because Gentle, they come line, they come talk. And you no go see Gentle for line again. You no go see Gentle come talk rubbish again for you. Because when he come talk, when I go use and do rubbish, you no go see Gentle come talk again. Gentle will not come line again to tell you anything. Unless the thing is very, 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 very important that he come. Gentle have learned his lessons. Because those of you that push him to line, come and talk, come and talk. He have now understood so many things. But sometimes it's good that you push people to evil so that their eyes go open. Gentle eyes don't open. He don't understand so many things. All the lies we wanna go tell him for back. Including the ones we wanna tell him about me. Including the ones you are not telling Gentle that you are not supporting freedom. Now make our PM return next month. Make him return. Now be my highest prayer. Morning, afternoon, night. Make PM Simon Ekpa make him return. Finish. He is more important than every other thing we are doing now. Make him return. Make all these nuisance will not they commit. Make it disappear. When I think say he no go return, that is why now they do all this thing. But he go return and he go shock all of you.
Hey, I talk him. He said that before you will see gentle again, that thing is very, very powerful. And honestly speaking, when I see that gentle video, I say another kasala, one boss. I never knew that gentle is never a desert warrior. Yes, all those desert warriors, they cause confusion up and down. They blah 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 blah. They attack people. You be desert warrior. You don't know what. In fact, you are not even fighting for Biafra in the first place. You be desert warrior. But what happened? Gentle came and he made this video straight to the point without attack. He never want the point of using finger and say, "Oh, I was expecting him to prove Ugo 247 wrong." Yes. If you don't know, no. I was expecting Gentle to prove Ugo 247 wrong. Say Ugo 247, nothing happened to my brother. Ugo 247, you and Ngozi as they normally they do. When I saw Gentle video, I say, Sakara don't boss, but I never knew that. It is a great thing to serve Jesus. Gentle came in a matured way and he shot the mouth of all those desert warriors. He shot all of them down. Say, "Una no rich. I am not here for saga anymore. Now, when you carry me, come and they call they do." Gentle send this message straight, simple, and clean to the understanding of everybody. So you need to believe Ugo 247 when you say, Gentle no they come out here, they call the attack again. Yes, believe him. Gentle no they come out, Yahoo. He not come out, can't attack anybody again. He not come out, can't drag anybody. Have you sit yourself down and ask yourself that question? After everything, all those talk and do, the Gentle you are looking for came. He never send message to. He not even send on a message. That is matured beauty. That they know who they fight for, what he believe with. Different between who be desert warrior. Warrior there inside warrior. Inside that your warrior, so another warrior there inside. You say you get power, you say you strong. See people they fight desert warrior. Gentle can shame everybody. I not hear any talk. I know here Ngozi Ugo 247 come here. Ngozi Rabofulani come here. I know here. That one enough that tissue sense. If you not tissue sense, you suppose get sense by yourself. So my beautiful family, I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and now we keep on giving you the update back to back. See, there is every reason why you need to subscribe, because I go torchlight all the torchlights in Abba. God is mighty. He is a merciful God. He is a great God. And nobody born of a woman can battle with the Lord. And nobody born of a woman can touch the anointed of God. So shout hallelujah. Share this video and I'll be right back.